So we have a little topic to talk about today. That's cold. Just a little topic. Let's get rid of this. Wireless earbuds being 3D printed to your ear. I know what you're thinking. How on earth could that possibly be a reality? And how on earth would you want this? Listen, the current wireless options out there right now don't work for me. They either fall out of my ears, they're a mess, they don't look good. Okay. They fall out of my ears. They don't have the best fit. So my idea here is with 3D printed earbuds, basically just download the brand's app. You take your phone, take a picture of both your ears, since both your ears are not identical, and you send it up to the app, and bid bop boop, your buds are 3D printed right in front of you. You have different varieties of shapes that you can test out, but ideally, it's going to be 3D printed to your exact bud. You can pick before you print whether you want to prioritize bass and yada yada yada, different sound frequencies. I'm pretty sure the shape has to do with that. I really don't know, but how cool would this be? I think it'd be really awesome. I mean, gone would be the days of AirPods Pro falling out of my ears. You know, these things fall out of my ears like crazy. It's nuts. They don't fit in my ears at all. They always fall out 10 times on the daily. A lot. They fall out so much. It's a problem, man. It's a problem. Why don't they fit on my ears? I mean, the second go around having them, I kind of figured out how to lock them in my ears. I thought I was really smart when I figured this out. I put them in, and the back of them kind of got hooked on that piece of ear. And I'm like, ooh, hey. I can shake my head. They don't fall out. I'm feeling pretty genius here. They don't fall out, but they fell out. So the locking mechanism doesn't work. It's the AirPods Pro for me. Odd shape. They're designed to not feel like they're plugging your ears. Ironically, the tube that goes deep into your canal is part of the thing that keeps them in your ears, people. Apple. Part of the thing that keeps them in your ears, okay? Everybody's different. I just hope AirPods Pro gets an update. I don't know. But in the near future, when everybody has a 3D printer inside their house, I'm pretty sure every single brand of headphone, JBL, Sony, Jaybird, Apple, Samsung, I'm pretty sure every single brand, Bose, every single brand of headphone out there is going to make an app. They already have apps. So what they're going to do is they're going to incorporate a ear scan, pull up in the camera app for you right there, where you can just take pictures of your ears and bibbidi bobbidi boop, it sends it over to your printer, and you got your buds right there. Will it be free? Yes. Yes, it's got to be. It's got to be because it's 3D printing. How would they make money? I don't know. Maybe you need to download the specific CAD file. I don't know, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be free. It's got to be. It's got to be. If not, you can be a pirate and pirate those files. Get your earbuds that way. Hey, officer, this guy stole earbuds. Well, from your store? Oh, no, he stole my file. I mean, just 3D printing in general, it's going to be so cool. I mean, just 3D printing everything, it's going to be epic. Man, my, oh, my. 3D, the future. I mean, the future. Whoa, I need to scoot forward. That's my problem. We're stuck. Stupid sinking floor. Anyways. Yeah, the future within these next 10 years is going to be so cool because it's going to be, 3D printing. And 3D printing is getting to the strength where we can actually start building houses. We can build an entire size house within 10 hours, and it's printed. You push a button, walk away, no labor, 10 hours. That's nuts. So cool. So cool. Changing the game. Changing the game. Anyways, that's all I gotta say. This is my little idea for 3D printed buds. Comment if you like if you like, and if you're new here, subscribe, because I'm dropping videos like this every 2 days, and you don't want to miss anything. If you like this stuff, you're gonna love my Patreon. There's a whole lot of bonus content, and you receive these videos right here. Any video I have made up to this point right now, I post it to YouTube unlisted, and on Patreon you have access to those links. So basically what I'm saying, on Patreon, if you like this stuff right here, you're gonna have early access to all those videos right now. Immediately, you can binge watch them, get early access before anybody else, and you know, without further ado, I really hope you do check that out over on Patreon. Link is in the description. And without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure you click the bell, subscribe, because I'll be back here in 2 days. All right, thank you for watching. My name is Kyle, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.